The first thing you'll notice today when you stick your head out the door is the wind. This is a time-lapse photo of Grand Forks from UND Skycam looking east across Grand Forks at 4 a.m. Wind advisory in effect for much of the region today. National Weather Service in Grand Forks says northwest winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour today. Wind advisory remains in effect from 4 a.m. on this Friday until 7 p.m. Now, let's take a look at the weather conditions across the region, and you can check out your town. Pause the video at any time to look at the particulars. Grand Forks wind speed at 4 a.m., 22 to 32 miles per hour. And Fargo, 24 to 39 miles per hour. And Jamestown, 24 to 38 miles per hour. Again, pause the video at any time to look at the particulars in your area. This is at 4 a.m. Devil's Lake, around 23 mile per hour winds. Wind advisory across the region today. And moving up to Langdon, 23 mile per hour wind. Weather Service saying gusts as much high as 50 miles per hour today. Grafton, 22 to 32 miles per hour. Moving over to Pines Country, Bemidji, 28 to 33 miles per hour. Wind advisory across the region. Fosston, Minnesota, 17 miles per hour. Winds a little weaker, a little bit east of here. Brainerd, only 10 miles per hour down there. Staying out of it so far. And International Falls, 9 to 17 miles per hour. The wind at 4 a.m. on this Friday. Up in extreme northwest Minnesota and Hallock, 15 miles per hour. And moving a bit farther east of there over to War Road, 20 to 30 miles per hour. And in Baudette, as they get ready to head out on the Rainy River for fishing, 14 to 24 miles per hour. And in Crookston, 28 to 37 miles per hour already at 4 a.m. for the wind. And finally, Thief River Falls, Minnesota, 25 to 32. So be careful out there and have yourself a windy Friday. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNewZ.TV.